प्रणम्य देवं गौरे पुत्रं विनायकं भक्तावाचं स्मरेन् नित्यम् आयुष्कामार्थ सिद्धये. Lord Sri Bhagavatam Ganapati may bless you all. It is my pleasure to meet you all on the 19th day of Vinayaka Pradham. We have seen Shiva, Lord Shiva, who came in the form of elder Brahmin and who appeared in front of Parvati and Parvati's parents as Lord Shiva with the Man, Malu and all, with the four hands, Neelakantam, and eye in the forehead. Likewise, Lord Shiva appeared as himself. Then, if Shiva comes to that place, all the Devatas, they were present. Hari, Ayan, Indran, Amarar, Vinjagar, Karudar, Kinnarar, Kaya, Vasigar, Redamal, Munivar, Ramanur, Rakadar, Budar, Yakar, Gimburdar, Alagai, Sitar, Taragai, Kandar, Berigal, Mudalai, Kanikarum, Padinan, Kanatilulavarum, Manikarum, Galatane, Vandanaindi, they appeared in the field. Who they were? Karudar, Hari, Ayan, Indran, Amarar, Vinjagar. Hari means Narayana, Ayan, Brahma, Indran, Amaran, Devada, all Devas. Vinjagar, Karudar, Kinnarar, Kaya, Vasigar, all the living beings from the heaven. Karudar, Kinnarar, Kaya, Vasigar, Edamil, Munivar, the sages, great sages. Avunar, Rakadar, all were present. Manikaram, Galatane, Vandanen, they were present in the field. Mandral, Angulalikki, Vaduvainal, Kuritte, they have declared an auspicious date to conduct the holy wedding of Parvati and Lord Shiva. Vaduvainal Kuritte, here the Vaduvai, Vadhu means the bride, Varan means the groom. So, here I can tell you how Hinduism or the Tamil Saivatais, they gave the prominent place to the women in a way. Vaduvai Nal, Tirumanam. Vaduvai means Tirumanam. Vadhu is the name of the bride. Varan is the name of the groom. So, that function, the ceremonial attachment of a bride and a groom, it's named on the name of the bride, in the name of the Vadhu. Vaduvai Nal, Tirumana Nal. Vaduvai means Tirumanam, wedding, marriage. So Vadhu means the bride. So it is named after the bride. Vaduvai Nal Kurithi Tendral Vandigirangal Mundril Agattu Pondigal Pavala Putkal Nati. As you all know, the tradition of Tamil Saivatais, when they have decided for the wedding, when they found a muhurta, auspicious day for the wedding, they first do that installment of the auspicious fall, that is muhurta kal, pavala kal. They install the muhurta kal on a very auspicious day. Likewise, for the wedding of Shiva and Parvati, they pondigal pavala putkal nati, they established that auspicious fall, that is muhurta kal. Manikattal valai pala parappi anippon tagattal alaguradeinde. They made the marquee, as you know, the tent marquee for the wedding. In a way, Manikattal valai parappi anippon tagattal alaguradeinde. They made the roof with the golden roof. Anipondagattal Alagura Vendi Nitila Malai Nirai Tuki, they decorated with the garlands and all. Paktigal Torum Palamani Padittu, Paktigal means the corners, they were decorated with the bells. Toranam Nati Tugil Vidanit, Tugil means the cloth, they decorated everywhere with the cloth and all. Purana Potkudam Bolivuravaite. They installed the Purna Kumbham, that complete kalasam, fulfilled with the water, and then decorated with the mango leaf and the coconut. You all know that they get the banana leaf with the edge, and using the white rice or the red rice, they spread the white rice over the banana leaf and install the kumbam, that Purna Kumbam. Purna Kumbam, it is always a tradition of Tamil Saivatais to whatever they start, they first install the Purna Kumbam in front of the on the gate, in front of the main entrance. Purna Kumbam, it is used to welcome the guests, those who are visiting for the function. Purna Kumbam denotes the completeness of the function. Purnamada Purnamida Purnat Purnamudashyate Purnasya Purnamataya Purnameva Vadishyate. This is what says Purnamada Purnamida Purnat Purnamudashyate. Nothing will happen if you take a portion from the completeness. Nothing will happen. The completeness will remain. Purnamada Purnamida. That is complete. This is complete. Purnamada Purnamida Purnat Purnamudashyate. If you take that completeness, the portion of the completeness from that, adding that completeness to this, never make any changes. Completeness will remain. That is the meaning. So that is the belief behind to install that Purna Kumbam, that Purna Kumbam. Purna Bhatkudam Bolivura Vaiti Tikkadorum Thiruvila Keti, they lighted the lamps everywhere in the all directions. Bhakti Padar Munai Paligai Parappi, as you know, the tradition of Tamil Saivatais or the Hindus, when they start to conduct the wedding, that Pavalakkal Natala, that is the installment of the auspicious fall on the auspicious day. It is the practice of Tamil Saivatais, as well as the Angurarpanam. Angurarpanam means spreading the seeds, Navadhanyam, spreading the seeds on a very auspicious day. Before they did the Ponnuruk, as you know, among the Tamil Saivatais, right? Certain people visit from bride's place to groom's house, and Gurukal is invited there and who did the Punya Gavadana, Vikneswara Puja and everything. After that, they they offer the Dakshana and the Vastra Upacharam and all the offering to the goldsmith, and goldsmith is requested to make the pottali, the tali, that ornament which is used to use in the wedding, pottali. That is Ponnurukkudal. After the Ponnurukkal, they install the Pavalakkal, that Muhurtakal auspicious fall in an auspicious timing. After that, they do the Paligai, as we all know, that Mulai Paligai, spreading the seeds to be grown gradually. Mulai Paligai Parappi Kannalam Kamugum Kadaligum Nati, the way they decorate the marquee, they decorate Karnalam Kamugum Kadaligum Nati, the Arikana tree, banana tree, all the tree, they brought that the Devadas, Asuras, and all the people, those who were present in the field, they did the decoration with the trees. Pan Malar Natri Pandar Sodit, Pandar mean marquee, as you know, the tent or the cottage like setup for the wedding hall setup. They made the wedding hall setup. Nalamigu Kaivalor Nanjani Madatranai Kulaviya Dirmana Kolambunindar. Really experienced people, the expertise professional people, they decorated, they did the makeup to Lord Shiva. Nanjani Madatranai means Nanjani Madatranai denotes Lord Shiva, as you know the story. Kulaviya Dirmana Kolam Punaindar, as you know, it is our tradition. Not only right now, nowadays we are spending more money for the makeup and all. In the ancient time, that is Bharata Pandita stated here, Shiva also did the makeup with the expert people with the aid of expert people. Kulaviya Tirumana Kolam Purindar, Varusurar, Magalir, Mana, Malay Magal, Tanne, Tirumana Kolam, Saidanar, as well as the other ladies, the ladies, they did the makeup to Goddess Parvati. Tirumana Kolam Purindar, Varusurar, Magalir, Malay Magal, Tanne, Tirumana Kolam, Saidanar, Ange, Umbaranayam, Mulangodi, Tanayam, Umbarella, Urumbudan Kudi. Umbar means the people, those who are living in the heaven. Umbarella, Urumbudan Kudi, Kadalana, Mulangum, Kavanam, Danil, Sudarbudu, Bavala, Sundara Palagail. They brought Lord Shiva and Parvati together and requested them to be seated in the Sundara Palagai in a setup like chair, in a sofa. Sudarbudu Bavala Sundara Palagai Marai Bugandiya Tamagaldudan Irati, where that Acharya they start to chant the Vedas and all. Marai Pugandu Yetta Magandu Udan Irati Parai Holiodu Panivalai Arpa. This is here Varada Pandita during that time, as you know that elder people of Tamil Saivatas, especially from Jaffna people, Jaffna Saivatas, they experienced that Parai. It's kind of Vadhyam used to be make the music during the wedding. Nowadays it is a wide practice of using that Parai in a funeral house, but earlier it was that Parai was used, it's kind of band, where nowadays our people used to practice with the bands and all, but those days Parai Melam was used in wedding as well as in funerals as well as in temples also. When they do the Suttupali, you know that Pravesha Bali and all, they used to do the Beri, that Paraivadyam. Barayoliyodu Panivalayarpa Baduvaiki Etra Marai Vidi Nerige. Baduvai means, as you know, the bride. Here it is Parvati. Baduvaiki Etra Marai Vidi Nerige Chadurmugan Omat Kadangaligetra, where the priest, Lord Brahma is the priest, was the priest. Chadurmugan Brahma. Omat Kadangal Yetra Taragalan Olipon Tali Booty. Nowadays, some Tamil patriotic they used to say that wearing the tali, that pottali, that ornament, golden ornament, it is brought from the northern part of India, from the northern part. Tamils, they never had such a practice among that. But in the 18th century, that Vinayak Varadam, that Kadai was made by Varada Pandita in the beginning of 18th century, where Varada Pandita stated here, Tarugalan Uli Pon Tali Puti. Tali means Pottali. Tali means an ornament made by the Palmyra leaf in the ancient time, but it won't remain. It won't retain, it won't be available for long and long. Then they thought to make the thali with the gold, pottali. So, beginning of the 18th century, it was a practice among Tamil Saivatais to use the pottali. Here is a valid proof that from the 18th century. So, end of the 17th century and the 18th century, that Pilliyar was made by the great poet Varada Pandita. Pottali Putti Sirumadi Nudalige, Sivan Sirumadi Nudalige, look like a crescent. The Sirumadi Nudali means that forehead. So, Goddess Parvati's forehead looks like the crescent. Sirumadi Nudalige, Sivan Kai Pidittabin, Shiva holds the hands. That is called Bani Grahanam. Bani means hands. Grahanam means holding the hands. This is a ritual in the Hindu wedding, Bani Grahanam. Sivan Kai Pidithavan Arivalam Chula Erivalam Bandu. Arivalam means, Ari means Narayana. Is the Mapalai Tolan, who is representing as the brother of Goddess Parvati, who is the friend of the groom. Mapillai Tolan, friend of the groom, groom's friend. Ali Balam Chula, as you know, the bride's friend, bride, groom's friend. All four, they do the pradakshana, they do the perambulation of the Agni, of the fire lamp. Arivalam Chula, Erivalam Mandu, Eri means fire. Erivalam Mandu, Parivudan, Parimala, Pagali, Vaigi, Podu, Anina, Karangulat, Kuvai, Kanudane, Odanir, Melisul, Unjagam, Padibuga. Then now it's almost the auspicious, Lord Shiva's wedding is over, and as you know that is the tradition after the wedding. If nowadays we used to conduct the weddings in wedding halls, those days we conduct the wedding in the bride's home. Then they used to visit that after the wedding. They used to visit the Vadhu Vara Graha Pravesha, which is another ritual and belief among Saivatais. After the wedding, the couple, they visit the bride's home, Vadhu. Then after Vara Graha Pravesha, Vara means grooms. After they visit groom's house, they stay over there. This is what the belief behind why we Saivatais not to conduct wedding on Fridays. If we conduct the wedding on Fridays, after the wedding, the couple used to visit bride's place, and the bride, she has to leave the house with the groom to groom's house. Both the couple has to stay in the groom's house. So the parents of the bride, they scared about to send off their girl on a Friday. That is not good. That is a belief, that is a tradition among Saivatais not to conduct the wedding. They are scared about to conduct those speeches that Muhurtam on Fridays, which is a belief. Odanir Sula Unjayam Padibuga. Here the couple, they visited Ujjayini. Unjayam Padi means they visited Ujjayini, a Pradesh in region in India. Erar Baligil Rendise, Dhanne Para Deva Panimoli Nigana, where they were walking together, that Parvati and Parameshwaran, they were walking together. As you know, here also in the wedding we have the ritual called Saptapati. After the wedding, the both, the couple, bride and groom, they are requested to walk for 7 feet. Saptapati, Sapta means 7, Padi means Adi, 7 feet. They used to walk, and the 8th walk, 8th step, that groom used to wear that meti in the bride's second finger. As you know that ritual, that is Saptapati. Saptapati really gives a lot of meaning. It is, as you know, if we don't know the person, we take some time to have a chit chat with him. We take some time, whether we are verifying whether he is quite good or not, to talk with him, sharing the time with him. Likewise, Saptapati is a ritual to give them a friendliness between the bride and the groom. That is the meaning of conduct that Saptapati, the ritual called Saptapati. Here they were walking together, Parvati and Parameshwaran. Parameshwaran requested Parvati not to look at anywhere. You just come with me. Don't look somewhere. Don't look the surrounding. Para Deva Panimuli Nigana Varang Garangulal Matrum Undo. Shiva something in his mind, has something in his mind. He stated to Parvati not to look not to look the surrounding. Then Parvati had the curiosity to what is the meaning? Why he is saying not to look the surrounding? Then she looked the surrounding. This is the place. This is the point where the Udbhavam of Ganesha, Ganapati's birth, is going to happen. வரும் கருங்குழலால் மற்றும் உண்டோ என திருந்துகளை மடந்தை திரும்பினால். He never listened Shiva's command. She looked the surrounding. களிரும் பிடியும் கலந்து விளையாடல் கண்டு. Yeah, bull elephant and a cow elephant, they were playing. They were in a conjugal relationship. They were in a sexual intercourse. களிரும் பிடியும் கலந்து விளையாடல் கண்டு ஒளிர்மணி பூனால் உறவோடு உடனே இவ்வகையாய் விளையாடுவோம் இங்கென. Parvati, goddess Parvati witnessed that play of that bull elephant and the cow elephant, and Parvati requested Lord Shiva, shall we do like this? Shall we play like this? Here we couldn't have any meaning related to sexual intercourse. That doesn't the real meaning behind this. This is a kind of play made by Shiva and Parvati for the birth of Ganapati to demolish the demon. I will tell you further in the story. களிரும் பிடியும் கலந்து விளையாடல் கண்டு ஒளிர்மணி பூனால் உறவோடு உடனே இவ்வகையாய் விளையாடுவோம் இங்கென. அவ்வகை அரணும் அதற்கு உடன்பட்டு. Shiva also agreed. Madagari Guruton, Madagariyaga. Shiva has a name of Gajari. Like Shiva demolished a demon called Gajasuran, and who won that skin of that Gajasuran in the form of elephant. Madagari Guruton, Madagariyaga. Shiva appeared as a bull elephant. Mother Bili Umai Pidi Vadivamagi Kaliri Pidi. Kaliri is the male elephant, that is the bull elephant. Pidi means the cow elephant. Where the bride, that Parvati appeared as a Pidi, that is as a cow elephant. Pidi Vadivam Adagi Kudia Kalavil Kuvalayam Bulanga. Now Vinayaka has come. Kudiya Kalavil, they had the conjugal relationship between the bull elephant, the cow elephant. That was actually Lord Shiva and Parvati. Kuvalayam Bilanga, why Ganapati comes? Kuvalayam Bilanga, Nidiya Vanor Narigudan Bala. The Vanor means the people, the living beings in the heaven. Andanar Sarakka Aninam Perega. The well-being of all the people. Andanar Sarakka Aninam Perega, the well-being of the animals, especially the cows. Sendalal Velvi Veda Agamam Sarakka, the birth of Vinayakar, really make Sendalal Velvi, the phyla, the regular contacts of the phyla, regular practice of the phyla. Veda Agamam Sarakka, the chanting of Vedas and learning the Agamas and conducting the rituals according to Veda Agamas. That phyla, the rituals, cows, animals, well-being, all the well-being of the all creatures. Ganapati had arrived. Sandalal Veldi Veda Agamam Sarakka Arambala Berega, the good deeds, the race of the good deeds. Arambala Berega, Marambala Surunga. To decrease the maram means bad deeds. Tirambala Aradhar Sagadalam Bilanga, to make the kingdoms, the well-being of the kingdoms. Bangari Mugamum Bian Pulak Kayodu. Bangari Mugamum, Kari Mugam means the elephant headed god. Bian Pulak Kayodu, Bian means Akasham, the sky. Pulakkai means the trunk. The trunk which as long as to touch the sky. Biyan Pulakkayodu Aingarathalamum Malarpadam Irandum Pavalattu Oliser Paintu Varbayam. Here Varada Pandita started to describe the physique of Ganapati. Aingarathalamum Malar Padamirandum, 2 lotus feet. இரண்டும் பவளத்து ஒளிசேர் பைந்துவர் பாயும் with the brightness. தவள கிம்புரி தடமறுப்பு இரண்டும். Ganapati born with the tadamarupu means the tusk. As you know, that elephant has two tusks. Kodi Suryar Port Kulamidi Menigam, the brightness of Ganapati looks like Kodi Suryar, the 10 million times of sun. Perlai Bol Agendra Perung Kuda Vagiram, whose stomach looks like a kutam, looks like a pot. Netrigal Naganam, as you know, because Ganapati is the son of Shiva. Since Shiva has 3 eyes, the eyes in the forehead, Netrikan. Here the Ganapati also has the Netrikan. Netrigal Naganamum, eye in the forehead. Muppuri Nolum, Ganapati born with the Punal, that is with the holy thread. Muppuri Nol. Katrai Chadayum, Kanagan Mudiyam, looks like Lord Shiva who has Katrai Chadai. Tangiya Murambol, Talai Madi Cheviyumai, that Karnam, that ears looks like the Muram, as you know that it is used to clean the rice. That is also a tradition, that is also a tool used to clean the rice. Muram, Sulagu. Murambol Netrigal Nagaramum, Muppuri Nulum, Katrai Chadayum, Kanaga Nmudiyum, Tangiya Murambol, Talai Madi Cheviyumai, Angarat Trianal Vandu Avadaritalam. Here, Varada Panditer stopped with the birth of Ganapati in the form of Angarat Trianal Vandu Avadaritalam. It is not a birth, it is an avataram. Avataram means coming down to earth from the heaven. Avadarithalum Pongaravu Aninda Punyamurtiyum Mangai Manam Maga Nikalante. Pongaravu means Aravu means that snake. Shiva holds the snake, Shiva bears the snake. Pongaravu Aninda Punyamurti denotes Shiva. Mangai Parvati, they were happy. Manamagalந்து Udan Noki, they looked Vinayagar, Bunulorgalam, Virinda Nanmugaram, Manulorgalam, Bandu Unai Mananga, all will come and praise you. Angu avar tangakku arul surandu, you have to bless them. All will come and bless you. Angu avar tangakku arul surandu aruli, you have to bless them. Thingadu Tirthu Chennari Alithu, you have to remove the obstacles right away what they have. Thingadu Tirthu Chennari Alithu Paranamaga Palaganigarindu Erani Alinku Inidagire. They requested that requested Ganapati to be seated under the tree called, that is Vadamriksham Alamaram. I think it's banyan tree, I think so. I'm not quite sure. The Arasamaram means that Paul tree. This is Alamaram. So where Ganesha normally resides under the trees Arasamaram and Alamaram, you know. Here Shiva requested him to be seated under the banyan tree, that Alamaram. Erani Alinku Inidigiri, you be seated there. Pudalan Danil Pudalvanai Giriti, they established whose son in the Pudala, means in the earth. Kadal Kur Madanare Kanyam Tanam Maivalar Soleman Agarpundu, they continued their journey, Lord Shiva and Parvati. Maivalar Soleman Agarpundu, Devanayagan Sarandu, Inidi Girandavin, Banavaralam, Manudaralam, that Banavar, the people from the heaven, from the Agasham, as well as the people from the earth. Manudaralam, Kanamar Kodia, Kadavilangalam, Karivikalam, Kalanalam, Uruvagayalam, Ugiraliyamal. Now the motive of the avataram of Ganapati, here Bharata Pandita stated the motive of the Vinayaka, the birth of Vinayaka. Kanamar Kodia Kadavilangalam, any of the aggressive animal, none of the aggressive animal, none of the person from the earth, none of the Devadas from the heaven, Karivigalalam, none of the weapon, Kalanalam, Yamadharmarajan, Oru Vagayalam, Ujir Aliyamal, none of the way. Ujir Aliyamal, Tiram Baramadavan, Chayda Munale, Baram Baragendra Valimaginale, there was a demon called Gajamugasuran who blessed and who did the penance and who received lots of boons. The main boon is there is no punishment, there is no fear about none of the human being, none of the devadas, none of the animals, none of the weapon. ஒரு வகையாலும் உயிரறியாமல் திறம்பெரு மாதவன் செய்து முன்னாளில் he did the penance long ago and received the boons. வரம் பெறுகின்ற வலிமையினாலே now he is very brave. ஐமுக சீயம் ஒத்து வலிமையினாலே ஐமுக சீயமொத்து the five-faced ஐமுக சீயம் means lion, five-faced lion. ஒத்து அடற்படை சூழ கைமுகம் படைத்த கைமுகத்து அவனுடன் பொன்னுலகு அளித்த புலவரை வருத்தி. He visited the பொன்னுலகு means the Devada place. He went to Swargalogam, he went to Devalogam in the form of five-faced lion with the Avuna Padai, the soldiers of the Asura. They destroyed everything. Ponnulagu alittu Pulavarai varutti. He insulted the sages. He did so many tortures to the people. இன்னிலத்தவரை இடுக்கண் படுத்தி கொடுந்தொழில் புரியும் கொடுமை கண்டு ஏங்கி. All they were scared about this Asuran, Gajamukasuran. அடுந்தொழில் குலிசத்து அண்ணலும் அமரரும் கரைபடு கண்ட கடவுளை போற்றி. They visited Ganapati's front and they were complaining about the situation. We will continue with this tomorrow onwards of the Vinayagar Varadham. My humble request to you to subscribe and hit the bell button and share the Pilliyar Kathai story. I believe this is the first time that kind of achievement that I made by the grace of Sri Vakratunda Ganapati from the basin, Victoria, Melbourne. It is my pleasure to, since I have struggled a couple of times to exactly interpret the word to you all, but I tried my level best to give you the meaning of the Pilliyar Kathai. So try to share this as much as possible because it will be spread out the Pilliyar Kathai story among the younger community of our Tamil Saivates, those who are living in the abroad. Thank you very much. Har Har Namah Parvati Padage, Har Har Mahadeva.